Okay, here is my multi-tool. I have a humongo knife, a small knife, scissors. These come in handy a lot for lots of things. Let's see. Bottle opener. Sorry, it's on lock. Can opener. Doesn't really come in handy, but you never know. Let's see. Cork. Unscrewer. Let's see. Another small knife. Okay, I have a toothpick. Let's see. It's really small. It took me forever to make too. And I also have some tweezers in there. These come in handy if I'm playing paintball or airsoft, and you never know, someone might get a splinter, something else. But it's always better to have it in your medic gear. So that's my multi-tool. Post a response if you want to show me some. Be really cool. Bye.